If you haven't found anything you like in the preset interactive activities, or you just want to make up your own, then I'm going to show you some basic tools which will help make that easy. So first of all, we might want to insert some pictures, and it's quite easy if you find pictures on the internet. For example, if I want to bring that beaver, you can just drag it and drop it anywhere on your project and it becomes a picture. Let's just make it much smaller. And I want to make something that looks like this, like a reveal box. So I'm going to go ahead to my gallery, type reveal, click enter, and I get a bunch of results, and I will choose the circle one. Double click and it pops up in the project. Get a bit smaller. Okay, so that's fine now, but sometimes you will find that it's not in the right order, like now. So in order to change the order of the objects, then you have a few ways of doing it, but one of them is to click that little triangle, go to order, and send that to back, and now it's behind. Another one is to simply right click on the object, order, send to back, so now it's again not behind. Send to back. And there we go. Then grouping is also very handy, because for example here I didn't get the triangle word and the image of the triangle together. They came as two separate things, and what I've done is I've grouped them. And again, you can access that by right clicking on an item or object and going to the menu. So it started off like this, but I want to move them around the screen together, so then I click one, click the other one, and either from this menu here, grouping and group, or using the shortcut Control G, or by right clicking, and now they can be moved together. And when you come to using it in class, then you might want to have certain things locked in place, so when the kids use it, they only move certain elements and the rest are locked in place. Then you've got Control K and Control J. So if I want the triangle to stay right here and not be moved by anyone, I can either go up here and lock in place, or I can right click on it, locking, and lock in place.